Oh, hi people, Simon speaking. Today I wanted to show to you if you ever encounter an issue when you try to cut object through, because sometimes a knife tool has visible artifacts. I would like to show to you how to bypass that issue when you use the latest version of Blender, because that issue still persists even in the newest version of Blender. When you try to cut through object using a knife tool. Hopefully this doesn't exist, but sometimes I encountered that issue. Okay, let's check. We will be cutting one part of the door, because I will probably want to extrude to create that door. What you see here, hide unselected. Okay, let's get back to edit mode. When you use knife tool, you can also cut through entire object. When you press on your keyboard K and Z, normally this works, but if you encounter any strange visible points, for example, sometimes it doesn't always behave like that. What I use, the first option, what you can use focal length if you encounter that issue. Another thing is you can turn 3D cursor off, but this doesn't always work. K and Z. Another solution, what you can do, you can turn orthographic viewport on, like that. When you press button on your keyboard, button 5 numpad on your keyboard. But you can use a grid here for some of you if you struggle. K and Z. Now we can cut top part of the door. But there's a tool which works in the same way, but today this tutorial mainly is to show to you if you encounter any issue with knife tool. Oh, something which I didn't select properly. Sorry, I just didn't see this. Always turn X-ray on if you want to select invisible faces. Now we can do something else with that door. But I hope you like video tutorial. This was mainly to show to you how to fix knife tool glitch visible artifacts.